Hey, here we are in another session to learn everything you want to know about QR codes. Not having a QR code is a loss of opportunity, as they give a digital dimension to your products and services. Let's learn more together.
A dynamic QR code redirects you only to one URL. With a multi-URL QR code, you can create a QR code that redirects to different URLs based on different conditions as location, time, amount of scans, and operating system. Let's have a closer look how it works. User's location multi-URL QR code. The QR code can redirect based on the user's location and geographical position. For example, when David scans in Paris, he will go to a French web page. And when Susie scans in New York, she will go to an English web page. Location-based QR codes are great on your product packaging and for international marketing. Time, multi-URL QR code. The QR code can also redirect users to different apps, websites based on time. Time-based redirection is often used to promote limited time offers. For example, if you own a restaurant, you can redirect customers to your breakfast menu during the morning and then to your regular menu throughout the afternoon. With just one QR code, you can offer customers the convenience of multiple QR codes. Number of scans, multi-URL QR code. You also have a QR code that changes URL after a certain number of scans. These types of QR codes are good for promoting your brand. Once Bob has scanned your QR code to get information for a product, the next time Bob scans, you can redirect him to another product landing page. For example, on the fourth scan, Bob can be redirected to your Facebook or Instagram page. These types of QR codes will surely keep your customers engaged. Operating system, multi-URL QR code. Lastly, you have a multi-URL QR code that can redirect depending on if the user uses an Android or iPhone operating system. Most brands use this feature to redirect users to the App Store or Google Play Store to download their app. Although this feature can also be used to redirect users to any web page like a manual or other web page for Android or iPhone. Key benefits. On top of that, to measure success, multi-URL QR codes also give you access to helpful insights and data, including the total number of scans per device, location of the scan, device type, and of course the time and date of the scan. Understand and engage your customers better with a multi-URL QR code that is not only trackable but also editable. You can edit the content of your QR code at any time, allowing you to print your dynamic QR codes and yet still be able to change the content anytime. Even when your QR codes are printed, you can still add more locations or change the time or edit the data behind your QR code. Super efficient. Last tip. Don't forget to add a call for action with your QR codes, like scan now, scan and win, see movie. You will get 80% more scans.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot today. Don't forget to subscribe so you can learn with us more how to apply QR codes successfully.